Yeah, I done did a lot of things in my day, I admit it, I don't take back what I say. If I said it, then I meant it. All my life I won a Grammy, but I probably never get it. I ain't never had no trophy or no motherfucking ribbon. Y'all been eating long enough, it's my turn to cut the food. Pass the plate, with my drink, this my day. Lucky you, what you do? Y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move. Give me some room, give me some room. Give me the juice, how about the coupe? How about the coupe? How about the shoot? Y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move. Give me the juice. Little money in the bank.
Fuck off, fuck sleep, clean, clean, zone. Can't forget that I'm gold. Can't forget where I'm going. Fuck popo, police, enemies, fake homes. Can't forget that I'm OG. Better act like you know it. I remember I was poor.
Do you better? Catch it. If the watermelon, let me put you on. On silver, I'm your James Bond. Scarlet Johansson, yeah, I like him blonde. Harry Potter car, I got that magic wand. I got so many flavors, super fun. Girl, I make you mellow, I can turn you on. Honey drip, 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 I love your body. Said she wanna drum me like a Maserati.
Yeah. Oh, the blaze sound. I'm making good with the hand that I was down. Now I play in front of right. I never tell it up. I be governing the stripes, but I never be a ref. Whoa, yeah, that's too easy. They be with that pillow talk, that's why they too sleepy. Hold my mom and dad down, yeah, that's two reasons. Drink up in my mom down.
Old Town Road, I'm gone. Ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, nigga all in my way.
¡Ya, ya! Ya, abrazo grupal en el círculo.
A la cama.
Ya.
Vale, creo que fue que profesional, ¿verdad?
¿Qué dices usted?